Boom! What is up to the greatest team of energy consultants in Canada, North America, better yet, the world. 258-366. Hey, what's up, team? It's me, Matt Easton. Hi. If we haven't met before, I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world, and bam! I've got some great news for you guys. You are now a part of Easton University. Congratulations, welcome aboard. We're gonna talk more about this during our kickoff session, but I wanted to quickly introduce myself and get you fired up and let you know I am here for you. We are gonna make you better. Just like your name says, you guys are working all the time. You're putting full effort. 258-366. If we're putting full effort in all the time, what's the only way we can get better? The only way that we can improve is to become more effective with that time that we're putting in, more skillful with that effort that we're putting in. We can't put in any more effort, but we can do it in a more effective and skillful way. And that's what I'm gonna help you do. I'm gonna help you do it three ways. You are gonna have access to the Easton University Learning Portal. You can watch it right from your phone, your tablet, your computer. We're gonna give you coaching on everything you need, from goal setting to prospecting to networking to dealing with those deals that are stuck in your pipeline. How do we get them moving forward? How do we get them closing? I'm gonna show you how to do that in the portal. That's going to be available to you forever, 24/7, 365. Anytime you need it, I'm going to be there to coach you in a video setting. You are all going to have the ability to earn your Certified Master Sales Consultant credential, your CMSC. These are going to be hanging on your walls very soon. Now, you're also, here's where it gets really powerful, going to have the ability to join weekly live coaching sessions with me. So if there's an email you're sending out that's not working, we'll fix it on the weekly live. If you have questions about a big deal that you're trying to close, I'll help you close it. I'm literally going to be there with you every step of the way to help you get better, to help you get more skillful, to help you make more money. It's what we all want to do. Now, because your group is a part of the group program, you get a bonus. You're also going to have private 258-366 coaching calls with me every single month, where nobody else from any organization is going to be on those. It's just going to be us. We're going to be working together. We're going to be getting better. We're going to be talking about the stuff that maybe we don't want to talk about in a group setting. I'm going to be there for you every single month in that private live. What's going to happen next? You guys probably just got an email. You're going to get a link to register. We're going to do a kickoff call. I'll walk you through everything on registration. It's super simple. We're going to send you out an invite for that private call, and then every Wednesday you're going to get email invites, and there's also a link right in the portal for you to join those weekly lives. I'm so excited to be part of the team. I'm so excited to be your coach. I've got some big goals for you, as you do yourself, and we're going to make sure that you hit them. Here, I'm going to put a link in. Actually, I'm just going to put some video testimonials in right now from some people that you might recognize, a few of them, that are also on the Easton University program. And I'll see you guys at kickoff.
If you're watching this, you're either a fan of Matt Easton or you're about to be a fan of Matt Easton.
We've about 7x'd our top line revenue for our business since working with Matt.
Yeah, we closed 1.36 million today.
Oh, just a tiny 1.36 million.
I know, just a small one.
Matt, thank you for everything that you do for our team.
I've spoken to a number of the companies that he's done business with, and Easton University is one of the best out there.
I just helped my client close on this 44,000 square foot, $8.8 million office building using Matt Easton's systems and procedures.
The content and information is the best I've ever come across.
Thank you so much. Easton University has been a total game changer for our company.
What works, Matt, is that this works. If you follow the process that you laid out in the training videos, as simple as they are, and do it consistently on an ongoing basis, it works.
You have a whole process here, and I'm telling you guys, it is definitely perfect, and I really got to thank Matt Easton for this.
Very happy that I took the leap of faith to go ahead and invest in myself and in my career.
This is John Minnis with Compass Funding.
Louis Doré, Vice President of Sales and Alliances and Partnerships at Solgari.
Got my book here. I'm going through the courses, and I got to tell you, the one thing that you've done is just made the sales training ultra simplistic and really easy to understand.
The sales coaching that he provides is phenomenal.
Thanks, Matt. Here's what I want us to do this morning, right? We want to talk about mindset.
If you are looking to leveling up your life, your career, your finances, and your mindset, waste no time, enroll into Easton University, and you will not regret it.
You just have to pick up the damn phone and start calling. Using these scripts, it's going to work.
Thank you.
Matt Easton.
Matt is an expert at tone, at approach.
Walked into the meeting and the buyer says, you have 22 minutes, go. And lo and behold, 4 days later, we got a $300,000 win.
If you are looking to close more business, Matt is your guy.
Trying to get the real deal with Matt Easton.
Matt is a catalyst for success in sales, business, and life. Matt is best known for helping people get better in minutes, where normally they had struggled for years.
Just wanted to say that today was my first day with Matt Easton on a Zoom call. The results that I'm getting were instant, game-changing. The things that he told me were so phenomenal. It helped me out. Totally next level results instantly. Can't thank you enough, man.
What we're doing is affecting people's lives. Whether you guys believe this, whether you care about it or not, it's the truth.
Here we are, man. $304,000 campaign from starts October 1st to March 1st. So not even a full year.
I am so proud of you. This is exactly what we're talking about here at Easton University.
Led the country after 6 months with this company.
It goes from the psychology of certain words and phrases that you would speak with a prospect into turning situations around and back into your hands and taking control.
Thank you, Matt. Sometimes you just don't know what you don't know. And, Matt is a professional.
So wait, let me make sure I understand. Just so I understand. You came into this with very little sales training, very little knowledge. You were freaked out when we first started talking, and now you went from 0 to hero.
0 to hero.
Boom, in 6 months. Good job.
This guy is he's out there, he's amazing, he brings so much content and knowledge and has amazing stuff out there. And guys, let's give it up for none other than Matt Easton.
It makes a lot of sense. It makes sales so easy.
This type of training is very important.
It really teaches you not to be intimidated.
This is important work.
This is Dave Calafiore, co-founder of LeadBubble.io.
I highly recommend you invest in yourself and enroll right away.
Thank you so much. Easton University has been a total game changer for our company.
Everything that you need to know in order to be successful. Matt Easton, you're the man. Love what you're doing. I love what you put together.
Matt Easton has helped our young sales team navigate the sales process. His training has ultimately helped us close more deals.
When I decided to take a leap into tech sales, I decided to go ahead and sign up for Easton University.
I love how real Matt is.
We have so much fun in the one-on-one sessions. The team always gets so much value out of it.
I've built a whole new confidence with myself when it comes to speaking with any prospect or dealing with any objections that they might bring up.
If you keep doing the same thing that you've been doing, you're going to get the same results.
The strategies that Matt Easton has put together is literally the perfect way.
Sales training, Easton University, it's phenomenal.
Closing more deals in less time with less effort.
I've been in sales for about 12 years now, and I've taken every sales course under the sun. I've read nearly every book that's available, and I don't think I've found anything that resonated quite like Easton University's Certified Master Sales Consultant training.
Hire Matt Easton. You will not regret it. He will get you more money, faster, better results, and you'll just feel better about you're gonna love your job. You're gonna love that this is what you're doing.
Here's what I believe. In every single interaction that you and your people have, a sale takes place.
As a result of connecting with Matt, we 5x'd our top line revenue.
I wanted to say thank you.
Matt Easton has helped me with this. It is a sales process that simply works.
do not think twice about reaching out to Matt, connecting with him, and getting help from him at Easton University.
Thank you, Matt Easton.
Thank you, Matt.
Matt Easton's videos were really quick and easy to understand.
Working with Matt has been an absolute game changer for us.
I have gotten a tremendous amount of benefit from not only the coursework content, but the actual personal coaching from Matt.
If you're thinking about getting that education, I'd highly suggest you do.